Hey guys, my name is Erica and I do SAT one-on-one tutoring and I have group classes. Today we're going to be working on this problem here, conversions. What we're going to do today is talk about how to use a conversion train to solve a problem that you may not necessarily know how to solve. You may know how to solve this, but learning how to use a conversion train is really helpful for those harder problems where you may not exactly know what you're supposed to do. So for this problem, we have, before we get started, this is from the domain of problem solving, and the skill is from ratios, rates, proportional relationships, and units, just in case you want to look for problems that are very similar to this. The SAT website, College Board, they have an educator problem bank where you can find problems. So this is where that's from, just in case you are curious. Okay, so let's do this problem here. A certain park has an area of 11 million, blah, 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 square yards. The square yards is important here. What is the area in square miles of this park? And then they give us the conversion of 1 mile equals 1,760 yards. So we essentially want to convert the units from square yards to square miles using that yellow conversion that I highlighted. So what we're going to do is use a conversion train. A conversion train is really popular in chemistry class. I don't know if you guys have taken chemistry yet, but you'll see it in chemistry class. Very important to do, especially when you're converting moles specifically. So we're going to start with our 11 million number here. So 11863,808. Uh-oh, I don't have enough space for my units. And it's going to be yards squared. Okay, so now we want to convert this all the way to square miles. So miles squared. All right, now one of the tricky things is that we have a squared here, but our conversion, there are no squares. The way we're going to work with this is like so. So we're going to have 1 mile, which is what we have here, and that equals 1,760 60 yards, but that's only 1 yard. We want to be able to cancel out both yards here. Okay, we can only cancel out one of these yards. So what we're going to do is we're just going to do this conversion again inside of our conversion train. There's our second yard. So now we're able to completely cancel out the yards. And what we're left with is mile times a mile, which is a mile squared, which is exactly the units that we need. So now we can go ahead and use our calculator and calculate this all the way through. So we're going to do the 1 million number divided by 1760 and then divided by 1760 again. And what we're going to get is 3.83 miles squared. So that's going to be B is our answer. So this is really helpful for problems that you don't necessarily know what you're supposed to do, but they give you a bunch of units. You can use a conversion train to solve this problem all the way through. So let me know if you guys have any questions in the comment section below. Again, I do offer private SAT tutoring, as well as I offer group classes where we use Desmos and whatnot. We don't use Desmos in this particular class of rates, ratios, and conversions, but we do use it in a lot of the other subjects. So, yep. Have a good day, guys. Bye.